Hey, what's up everybody? This is ET here with Contractors Work. I just wanted to shoot a video and talk to you a little bit the importance of images in your portfolio. All right, everybody has heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. We all have. Now imagine what a portfolio with 25 amazing images, a description, and best of all, rated is worth. I tell you what it's worth. It's worth a job, getting the job, all right? See, the point of us when we talk to our customers, our clients, our potential clients, is to show them what it is that we can do. Show them and paint it in the best picture possible so they can understand what it is that we do. So if we are able to share our portfolio with them in seconds, that's how fast the system is. It only takes a couple seconds to share your portfolio with them as you're talking to them. You are very likely to get that job because you're giving the customer a glimpse, an eye into, wow, okay, they get to see it from beginning, between, and when it's done, all right? Now, we can't control the pricing. Obviously, you know what you're worth, you know how much it takes, you know your area, so that's all up to you, all right? I don't wanna say 100% you're gonna get the job and no matter how much you charge, because we all know that's not the truth. It's all up to your standards, what it is, where you are, location, and everything. But our job is to help you show the customer why you're the best, all right? We know we like to share our portfolios incredibly fast with our clients, and we, believe it or not, we actually do get the jobs because we are able to share them so fast. We're able to make up that customer's mind incredibly fast, and at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation. So taking pictures before, between, and after, and then picking the best one and creating this incredible portfolio, putting your description, sharing it with our customer, making sure you get rated, and now it's stored. You already have it there. Super simple to use. Next thing you know, you have another customer that is asking you about metal roofs or slate or whatever. Now I'm able to really quick share it with them. They get to see it. They're like, wow, all right, well look, he's been rated. They love how they work. Look at these pictures from before, between, and after. It's almost a done deal. As I said, it's all based on what it is that you do, where you are located, and of course pricing. You always have to know what you're worth, and that's it. Our job is to make it very easy and simpler for you to get why you're the best of the best at what you do. All right, so thank you guys. Help us spread the word, please, and give us some feedback. Let us know how we're doing. If there are things on the application you would like to see, let us know. That's why we build it. We build it for you. It was built for you by one of you. Obviously, I'm a roofer. So, all right, thank you guys. Contractors Work, baby.